Today we're going to look at the Megger MST210 socket tester. A nice simple device just to check if sockets are connected correctly. Simple lamp configurations using the legend here can tell you what problems, if indeed you've got any problems. So we'll start with one here that's got no faults on it at all. The two green lights are lit up, looking at the legend, correct polarity. If we then go on to ones that have already got faults onto them, you can see there we've got the outer green and the red light. And again, looking at the legend, live, neutral, reverse. Going to the second one, we can see we've just got the one central green light on. Go down to the legend, that's a missing neutral. On the third, you can see we've got the left-hand green light on. Again, looking at the legend, that is missing earth. We then go to the fourth, and you can see we've got the central green and the red light. Again, looking at the legend, that's live and earth reversed. And finally, going back to a correct connection, you can see there we've got the two green lights on again, and we're back to normal.